All right, this is a lesson on Paladin Straight by 21 Pilots. I've had several requests for this going back quite a ways. So sorry it took so long, but here we go. Okay, so that's our intro. So we have a B flat here. We got to do all these threes and get a 6 on the bottom here. And we're going to start on the G string, and then we're going to hit the 2 high strings, and then we're going to go to that lower bass note. Back to the 2 chords again. So, and we're going to do that twice. Now we're going to a G minor chord. We're going to hammer into this note 3 to 5 right here, and then the 2 small ones, and then the G, 2 small ones again. Now the next time we won't hammer, we'll just go big 5. So the whole G minor part is. And then we're going to go to D minor. We're going to hit the bass note and then the 2 high ones, and then go to that 2 on the G string. Now the second time on this D minor, we're going to do the bass and the 2 high chords, and then O, O, 2, walking into that F. The F is going to go. So kind of bass and then the 3 higher notes twice. C chord, same thing. And then we're back to, and that's going to be a verse this time. Back to B flat, G minor. D minor. Now this time we're going to D minor. Okay, so let's go through all that. We're going to have B flat, G minor, D minor, and then F to C, and then repeat all those chords. And after the F, C, we're going to go to D minor that time. So verse again, 3, 4. G minor, D minor, F, C, D minor. Okay, now we're in the chorus. We're going to go. We have B flat to D minor this time. And you can kind of pick it kind of the same way, like we got our B flat note right there in the 3rd string. Then we go to the D minor, bass, high, and then middle. So, and then F. Do that same kind of thing, C. Okay, so it ends up going 4 times through that chorus. Let's try the chorus again. 3, 4. So once we've done that chorus 4 times, we have a verse again. And on D minor. Now we have the chorus again. D minor coming up. And then F, C, Okay, so that goes like 4 times again. And then we're gonna have a bridge type of thing. Okay, so that was B flat twice. And we'll take that down to an A major. And then here I did that D that has the F sharp bass. So I started on the big one. And then F. Okay, then we're in the bridge, and once we get to this bridge, it's going to be the same progression throughout now. Even he's going to sing like the chorus over that new progression of the bridge. So it will go back to like a chorus, but it's still these bridge chords. These bridge chords are going to be B flat twice, then F, then A minor, G minor. We'll do the one with the open. That's going to repeat. So B flat again, F, twice each on those, then A minor, then G minor, so it does this a bunch of times. And then it stops right there, and then it kind of resumes with more of a strum. So the strum on this one is going to go. All right, well, that'll do it for Paladin Straight, 21 Pilots. Very cool song. Thanks for the request, guys, and we shall talk to you soon. Peace out.